A naughty brown mouse jumped into the house and stole it all away. Little Paul parrot dancing in his garret, rock and rolling on DJ music. A naughty brown mouse cut the wire of the speakers and ran faster all the way. Little Paul parrot faint in his garret, having high fever. A naughty brown mouse gave feelings sad for Paul parrot, gave medicine